Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cookies and Cream. Today in this video I am going to show you how to prepare fruit cake. The first step in the process is to grease the baking tin. I have taken a baking tin. I am going to grease it with oil. So after greasing the baking tin, I am going to place the parchment paper on top of it. And then I am going to grease the parchment paper. So I have greased the parchment paper and I am going to keep the baking tin aside. Now I am going to prepare caramel syrup. To prepare caramel syrup, I have taken a frying pan here. Into the frying pan, I am going to add half cup of sugar and I am going to caramelize it. Do not add water into it. Keep on stirring it till the sugar melts. When the sugar is half melted, I am going to add orange peel into it. I have taken orange peel of 1 orange. For an extra flavor, I am adding the orange peel into it. Now the sugar has melted completely. Into this, I am going to add 1 cup of water. And I am going to stir it. Stir it till the color of the caramel changes to dark brown. Remove the orange peels from it. I have removed all the orange peels from it. Simmer it and wait till the quantity reduces to half. Now it's almost done. I am going to switch off the flame. I have taken a bowl here. Into the bowl, I am going to add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour and I am going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and I am going to sieve it. Now I am going to keep the dry ingredients aside. Now I have taken another bowl. Into this I am going to add 5 eggs. I have added 5 eggs and into this I am going to add 1½ powdered sugar. So while powdering the sugar, I have added few spices. I have added 15 to 18 cardamoms, then 12 cloves, and then cinnamon, 3 to 4 small sticks, and I have grinded that along with the sugar. So I am going to add that sugar powdered into the bowl of egg. I am going to add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. And now I am going to blend it well. Now I have blended egg and sugar well. Into this I am going to add 3/4 cup of oil. And I am going to blend it once again. Now I have blended it well. Into this I am going to add vanilla essence, 2 teaspoons. And I am going to add caramel syrup which I have prepared, ½ cup. So I have added ½ cup of caramel syrup into this. And finally I am going to grate this nutmeg. I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg grated. I am going to blend it once again. I have blended it well. I am keeping the wet ingredients aside and I am going to take some dry fruits here. I have taken ½ cup of cashews, 1/4 cup raisin, tutti frutti ½ cup. So into this I am going to dust some all-purpose flour. This process is done to avoid the dry fruits from sinking at the bottom of the cake. So I have dusted all-purpose flour into the dry fruits. I am going to keep this aside. I am going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and I am going to fold it. Add little by little. Do not add all at a time. I have blended everything. Into this I am going to add dry fruits and I am going to mix it well. Now I have added dry fruits into it. I'm going to pour it into the baking tin. I have poured the batter into the baking tin and I have topped it with few dry fruits. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I am going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. If it's not baked after 35 minutes, you can bake it for 5 or 10 minutes more depending on baking time it takes to bake. So do not always stick to the time that we mention here because the time may differ from oven to bake. Now the cake is baked. Look at it. I'm going to demold it. Demold it when it's cool. Do not demold it when it's too hot. I'm going to cut it and show you how it looks like. Very soft and fluffy. Look at it. Very soft and fluffy. So do try this recipe. So if you like this recipe, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Cookies and Cream. See you in the next vlog. Till then, goodbye.